This is not a retro revival because this dessert has never gone out of fashion. We're making baked Alaska. The first thing you're going to want to do is line your bowls with plastic wrap before adding your first layer of ice cream. Before you add your Madeira bread, give it another layer of texture by adding caramel crunch and chocolate crunch sauce. Add your Madeira bread and repeat the process until your bowl is completely filled to the top. To ensure your baked Alaska stays frozen after piping, chill it in the freezer overnight. Get your frozen baked Alaska out of the freezer and remove the plastic before piping. You can either use a piping bag for this or simply spoon it over your baked Alaska. To get that signature toasted charry look on the outside, use a blowtorch. One thing's for sure, you have to make this.
I didn't make it right on the bottom.
That's my trick. You're supposed to light it from the bottom, not the top. And then by the time you get to the people,